The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, is crucial for your Ram 1500's safety and efficiency. It constantly monitors tire pressure and alerts you when it deviates from the recommended levels. For the Ram 1500, front tires should be at 33 to 35 psi, and rear tires at 32 to 34 psi. Resetting the TPMS is essential after inflating tires, rotating them, or replacing a tire. This ensures the system learns the new baseline pressures and provides accurate readings, preventing false warnings that could be ignored. To prepare for a TPMS reset, first park your Ram 1500 on a level surface and turn off the engine. Then, inflate all tires to the recommended pressure shown on the tire information sticker. Make sure the tires are at ambient temperature for the most accurate readings. Finally, for 2020 and newer models with Uconnect, start the vehicle to access the system. For models with touchscreen, navigate to the Apps menu on the touchscreen. Select Vehicle, then Tire Pressure Monitor. Choose Reset or Calibrate. For older models or button-based systems, turn ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the menu button on the steering wheel controls. Scroll to Vehicle Info, select Tire Pressure, press Reset. Follow on-screen prompts to confirm the reset. The system may require driving at speeds over 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to recalibrate. A chime or message confirms completion. Check the dashboard for the TPMS light to turn off. If the light persists, inspect for punctures or faulty sensors. Check sensors as shown in this diagram. Use a handheld device to check pressure.